Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with the topic Staphylococcus. Its morphology. It is a free-living bacteria, lives in all environment. Cocci is a spherical shape and it is a gram-positive organism arranged in clusters and is a grape-like clusters. It's a bunch of grape just like this. Its size is 1 micrometer in diameter. There is no flagella present on it, so it is non-motile and non-sporulated. There are more than 45 species present on this Staphylococcus. In this, the three are medically important, which is Streptococcus aureus, Streptococcus epidermis, Streptococcus saprophyticus. Streptococcus aureus responsible for food poisoning. Streptococcus epidermidis is a part of normal flora present on the skin. Streptococcus saprophyticus cause urinary tract infection, and this too it is collectively known as CONS, which is coagulase negative staphylococci, except Streptococcus aureus. If there is a cut or a wound, these organisms enter into the human body and produce a toxin, which is known as exotoxin. And this toxin can moderate our immune system, and this causes toxic shock syndrome, TSS. What is TSS? Which is toxic shock syndrome. When the organism enters into the body, it produces exotoxin. This exotoxin activates T lymphocytes present in the body, and it produces more T lymphocyte, and this secretes different types of chemical like cytokine, and this causes autoimmune diseases. Diseases caused by the Staphylococcus group. It causes food poisoning, which is Streptococcus aureus. Staphylococcus cause urinary tract infection, skin and eye infection. Staphylococcus aureus cause pneumonia. Mechanism or pathogenicity. In what way the disease are caused? These diseases are caused by two ways, which is infection and intoxication. Infection. A single organism enters into the body and it makes colonies and damages the host cell. Intoxication. A single organism enters into the body, secrete toxin, and which cause tissue damage as well as damage to our immune system. Cultural characteristics. It is an aerobic and facultative anaerobic organism. Optimum temperature for growth is 37 degrees Celsius. Range from 10 to 42 degrees Celsius. Optimum pH for the growth of these organisms are 7.4 to 7.6, which is optimum 7.5. A nutrient agar medium mostly produces golden yellow colonies. Some produces orange and white, and the colonies are large, which is 2 to 4 micrometer in diameter, and these colonies are circular, convex, smooth, shiny and opaque. Blood agar medium. It is similar to the nutrition agar medium, which produces golden yellow color colonies, and it produces beta hemolytic colonies. McMonkey agar. They produce smaller colonies that appear pink due to lactose fermentation. Mannitol. It is a selective media. It is useful for selective media for identifying Streptococcus aureus from the fecal specimen during food poisoning. Biochemical properties. This Staphylococcus are catalase positive, oxidase negative, indole negative, urease positive, MRVPI test is positive, and it reduces nitrate to nitrite.